Have you ever wondered what it would be like to get a message from deep space? Not a blurry UFO clip or a rumor on the internet, but a real signal captured by real scientific equipment. In 1977, something strange hit a radio telescope in Ohio, a burst of energy that lasted just 72 seconds and then vanished forever. One astronomer circled the printout and wrote a single word in the margin: "Wow." For nearly 50 years, scientists have been trying to understand what it was and who or what it might have come from. On August 15, 1977, the Big Ear Radio Observatory was scanning the sky as part of the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI. Its job was simple: listen for radio signals that didn't look natural. When astronomer Jerry Ehman reviewed the data later, one sequence didn't just stand out, it shocked him. The numbers showed a huge spike in radio intensity. The frequency? 1,420 megahertz, the hydrogen line. It's a frequency many scientists think an intelligent civilization might use to communicate across the stars. The signal was strong, incredibly precise, and lasted exactly as long as Big Ear would take to sweep past one point in the sky. 72 seconds. Everything about it looked intentional. Not random static, not a messy cosmic explosion, not some obvious glitch. It was narrow, controlled, and laser-focused, the exact kind of signal you'd expect if a civilization was sending something on purpose. It seemed to come from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius, near a star cluster called M55. On paper, there's nothing especially remarkable about that region. No famous planets, no huge, dramatic stars, but that only made the signal more mysterious. Scientists tried again and again to detect it. NASA tried, SETI tried, independent astronomers tried. That patch of sky was scanned dozens of times. Nothing. The signal never repeated. It was as if something called out to us once, and then went silent. Over the years, researchers have thrown out all kinds of possible explanations. Could it have been a comet? One scientist suggested that, but most astronomers disagree. Comets don't produce clean, powerful, tightly focused signals like this. Could it have been a satellite? No known satellite was in the right place at the right time, and none of them transmit at exactly 1420 megahertz. What about a pulsar or some kind of star? Natural objects just don't create narrowband radio signals like this. Every normal explanation eventually hits a wall. That's why many people, including some astronomers, still see the WOW signal as one of the strongest candidates for an alien transmission ever recorded. If a civilization wanted to send a message across the galaxy, a narrow-band signal at the hydrogen frequency would make sense. Hydrogen is the most common element in the universe. That frequency is like a universal channel, a place in the spectrum any advanced civilization might think to check. And the WOW signal didn't just use that frequency. Its strength, shape, and timing matched almost exactly what scientists expect to see if someone out there is deliberately broadcasting. But then comes the big question. Why did it only happen once? If it was intelligent, why didn't they repeat it? People have theories. Maybe Earth passed through the only moment the beam happened to cross our path. Maybe it was a short test, not meant to repeat. Maybe the civilization stopped transmitting. Maybe they no longer exist. Or maybe it was never a message at all. Modern telescopes, far more powerful than anything we had in 1977, are still scanning that same region of the sky. So far, nothing. No second signal, no follow-up message. But in 2022, astronomers noticed something interesting. A sun-like star in almost the exact spot the WOW signal seemed to come from. A star that could, in theory, host Earth-like planets. Is that just a coincidence? Or did the signal come from that system? Right now, we simply don't know. And that's where we are today. After nearly 50 years, no one can say with certainty what the WOW signal was. But here's what we do know. It didn't look like a typical natural signal. It matched many of the characteristics of a deliberate transmission. It came from deep space, and no natural explanation fits perfectly. Because of that, some scientists still call it the best evidence we've ever had for intelligent life beyond Earth. The universe is old, vast, filled with worlds we've never seen and civilizations we may never meet. Maybe the WOW signal was just a cosmic accident, a strange event we don't understand yet. Or maybe, just maybe, someone out there tried to speak to us for 72 seconds back in 1977, and we've been waiting for a reply ever since. So, what do you think? Was the WOW signal a message from another world, or just an unexplained blip in the noise of the universe? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy mysteries like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep looking up